When I was young, Parvana, I knew what peace felt like. Stories remain in our hearts even when all else is gone.
Why is this girl not at home?
I need my daughter to help me.
She should cover herself properly.
Maybe you should stop looking at her.
If there are women present, cover yourself now!
That's the man. He's got forbidden books.
Where is he being taken?
To prison.
Hush, Parvana. It will be all right. There's hardly any food left.
Sorry, child. Get your father to buy food for you.
Girl! Stop when I tell you!
Market sellers won't risk serving you.
Do I look like a boy? It's me. See?
You're Parvana!
Shasya?
When you're a boy, you can go anywhere you like. Look what I've got. Can you believe the water is that blue?
We can depend on you to keep us alive.
Why? I provide for you just fine.
There is a war coming. Have you not heard? Gather your family.
I'm going to find Boba.
No, you're not.
I'm going! There's nothing you can do to stop me.
Maybe if we think of it like a story, huh?
Is it a happy story or a sad story?
Just wait and see.